move on. It's time for you to, yeah, like, okay, this is enough. We're not doing this anymore. So it's all of those things in this life. If you, as a human being, as a grown woman, and as a grown man, do not know what you want in this life, people will play on that. People will play games with your head. People will manipulate you. They will use you. They will control you until you learn to control yourself, control your situation. And I want to speak on something for all the ladies and also the gentlemen, even though I can't speak on what the gentlemen go through, but I can speak on what I went through as a young woman growing up in a family of dysfunction, okay, with a lot of anger, the things that we see as humans. You know, a lot of things, maybe from traumas to lack of love, poor communication, you know. We all go through something. But I wanted to say that even when we go through something, whether it was some mommy issues, daddy issues, poor past relationships, whatever, when we go through things as humans, we cannot stay in that space with the unresolved issues, and the drama and the scars that people have left behind. We have to do something about it. You as a woman or you as a man has to do something about it. It's not enough to just leave everything hidden, because I did that for many years, and I'm telling you that it doesn't work. You know, all of the unresolved issues, all of the scars. And I know that we don't want to talk about it. I know we don't want to talk about it. I know I don't like to talk about it. Even talking about this kind of makes me choked up, even though I have resolved those issues for many, many years, but it still hurts because I'm still human. I'm still human. Sierra says, I promise myself I will not be in limbo with anyone. I'm a giving person, and it was never reciprocated. I vowed to never be an option. And we shouldn't. You should never let others, you should never let anybody in your life take advantage of you. You should never let anybody treat you like you're garbage, and you're not. You're not garbage, and like Sierra says, you shouldn't be an option, you know? You should never be like someone that they put on the back burner, that they only call you or talk to you when they want something from you. But when they're in their highlight reel, when things are good, they never share the good with you, or they never share their blessings. Like if things are going well and the money is flowing right, they never say, you know, I know this isn't much, but I just wanted to give you this because of all the times where you helped me. It's not always about how much that somebody gives you. It's not like you're expecting $1,000, but even a $10, say, I know this is not going to be much, but I want to give you just a little bit, maybe to buy your lunch or to help you with gas. It's not about what a person, it's not about how much a person gives, but it's that the fact that they thought of you, that they consider you enough to say, I appreciate you and I'm grateful for everything that you do for me. But when you're not getting it, we have to do something to shift and change it. If something is not working, it's just not going to work, and we can do nothing about it. And I wanted to say that to everybody. If something is not working out, don't force it. Don't try to force relationships. Don't try to think that if a person has not shown up for you, if a person has not loved you, if a person has not respected you, then move on. Then move on. You know? Or take your power back, you know? And I know for a very long time, I was waiting for certain individuals, waiting for them to love me, waiting for them to respect me. And if I'm 100% transparent and honest, I was waiting for certain individuals to love me like I loved them. And I learned something very valuable